This will give you the value of 2467.11, which is greater than 0. Okay, so basically this portion here, right, what will happen is that because I want to show that within 10 years after graduation, right, can I do this pay finish the loan with an installment of $500. So if 10 years means the number of times we do the payment is 120 months, 120 times, because each time per month. 10 years, 1 year, 12 months, 10 years, 120 months. K, which is the payment based on part 2, right, is $500. So the amount I owe, right, has an equation based on part 2. Alright, I submit N as 120. I submit K as 500, which is the amount I pay per month. And I just sub this into my equation. I find that if I were to use $500 and 120 times as payment, the payment I have, I mean the outstanding payment is still 2,467.11 after 10 years. So this really means that I cannot pay finish if I to use $500 a month. Alright, so if I can't, right, find the amount she needs to pay so that she can fully repay the loan at the end of 10 years. Okay, so the thing is, if I cannot, then how? What's the amount that I need? So I go back to my question. If I just let N equals to 120, I need N to be 120. Alright, but I do not know how much I need to pay per month. What I can do is I can let my K be an unknown, and I solve this equation to be equal to 0, because I do not want to owe any more money after 10 years. So the amount owed must equal to 0. Alright, just take this whole thing, put into the GC, graph it. I'm sure you can find K is equals to 516.26. Alright, just solve it using the GC, okay, to get your answer. And basically, I must pay $516.26 a month in order to finish fully paying my loan.